Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to cook a Haitian sauce bean, aka Sos Pwa. So basically I'm going to use a red bean. I'm going to use 4 cups. You can use any beans, it can be black, white beans, as long as it's dry. You need a cooking pot, so basically you can use a cooker. Here I'm going to use a pot to rinse the beans and then let it cook with enough water. And so I will show you. I am going to use salt. I also use grounded black pepper and chicken broth instead of the cube grounded garlic, like the powder. And I also use a seasoning called Italiano. So after all that, when you have to let your beans boiled for about 45 minutes to an hour, since I then use a pressure cooker which cook the beans faster. And then you're going to use the blender. So you're going to put the beans in the blender and blend it till it become like a smoothie, and then you're going to use a colander to get the juice out. So you can use a big spoon so that you can keep turning it till you get all the juice out, till you see only the skin of the beans, and then you can blend the remaining of the beans to get all the juice out and things like that. So after all that, when you get all the juice out, you have to get all the seasoning that I was showing you to make sure that you put it in the beans. So one thing that I forget to show you, that I use 1 spoon of butter. You can use margarine or butter, whatever it is. So here, this is the Italiano seasoning that I put in. And the Italiano, I got it at Costco. It's pretty cheap, so it's good. Like I have all those seasonings, so I don't have to be going to the store buying here and there. And I also use the chicken broth. I have the big box so that it lasts forever. All those seasoning, it lasts at least like 6 months or more. And I use the garlic. This is the powder, so I use it. I use 1 tablespoon of it. So it the Haitian way, mostly they have, when they making the seasoning, they usually blend it, put bunch of stuff, but sometimes you don't have the time. And all the seasoning, you get the same result as like you cooking with the Haitian way of seasoning. And I also use black pepper. I take 1.5 spoon of black pepper, and I also put like the spicy pepper, the small one. Like I put a small one in it. I didn't open it or anything like that, as you can see here, because my kid's gonna eat it. I also put half a tablespoon of salt, which I don't use salt much, but some people use salt, so letting you know. And also you can put it in medium heat, because it can boil till it fall over, which is something that you don't want. So you let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, the most 20 minutes if it was real liquidy. But if it was very thick, when you finish with the colander and everything, it would be like, take you 15 minutes to. So yeah, 15 minutes and it should be done. So please don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friend, and thank you very much for watching.